So welcome back to day 21 of the coronavirus lockdown. Slowly going mad, and I thought to myself that it might be worth doing a few videos explaining what echo profiles are. So we have a couple of echo profiles here from two devices. We have a ProBell U and we have the new 80 gigahertz radar via Bluetooth, and this one is via HART. I'm going to show you the setup in a minute. But I want to give them a challenge, and you can see here we have multiple echoes from both devices, and they're picking up at the far wall, which is about 4.7 meters away. So hopefully over these two videos you'll understand what these echo profiles are and the intelligence behind them, because basically a non-contact level measurement device, it can't see through everything. I mean, the radar, yes, it can see through plastic, but it can't see through everything. As you can see here, it's picking up wooden beams. So there needs to be some intelligence in the device to enable it to ignore those false echoes, and that's what these two red lines are that you can see on the profiles behind me. So what we're going to have a look at first is the test setup, and then we're going to make an obstacle course to make things a little bit more challenging. So as you can see behind me up there, I have my two devices mounted on a standard bracket that you can purchase from Siemens. I've tried to put them as close as you can together. There's about 15mm difference just because one protrudes out further than the other. And then if we have a look how far away, you can see the wooden beams across the ceiling, and then we're looking at the signal to bounce off this wall. There's a bar here behind us, but it shouldn't be any problems with that because it's quite small. So there's our challenge in the man cave. Okay, so to start off with, really neither of these devices should really struggle with the setup here, so it should be relatively easy to see the 5 meter distance. If we have a look at the devices themselves, the radar I think has a 4-degree beam angle, and the ultrasonic device, which I've got in my man cave at the moment, has a 10-degree beam angle. So it's not exactly a fair comparison because we do ultrasonic transducers with 6-degree beam angles, but let's see what we can push these two devices to. So if you have a look now on the screen, you'll see the echo profiles, and you'll see that both of them are picking up on the cross beams that you can see here, and they may even be picking up on these metal brackets for the radar, but both of them have locked onto the far wall with no additional programming required. Let's put a challenge in place. Let's put a few obstructions, see if we can still see that far wall, eh? So there you have it. We've got to get past the pumpkin witch, Iggle Piggle in his net. Then a Fireman Sam umbrella opened. Then somewhere to hang my ladders, and then we're going to see if we can see the far wall. So I'm going to put a little bit of a questionnaire on here. So who thinks that both of these devices can see right to the end? And we'll see the results, and we'll go through the echo profile on the next video. Thanks for listening.